Hello friends, now we see the problem number 8, which is also based on limits of trigonometric function of chapter limits. The problem number 8 is limit x tends to 0 sine of x square in bracket 1 minus cos of x square bracket complete whole thing divided by x raised 6. Now let's see the solution. First of all, L is equal to limit x tends to 0 sine of x square in bracket 1 minus cos of x square whole thing divided by x raised 6. Now here we put x square is equal to theta. Also, as x tends to 0 on squaring both sides, x square also tends to 0 square, that is 0, and therefore now x square is equal to theta, so theta also tend to 0. Therefore the problem becomes L is equal to limit theta tends to 0 sine theta in bracket 1 minus cos theta whole thing divided by theta cube. So that is equal to limit theta tends to 0 sine theta. Now in the numerator we have term 1 minus cos theta, so which is on rationalizing into 1 plus cos theta upon the rationalizing term 1 plus cos theta in the denominator also into theta cube. So that equal to limit theta tends to 0 sine theta into, now 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta gives 1 minus cos square theta, and that further gives sine square theta upon theta cube into 1 plus cos theta. So therefore the next step will be limit theta tends to 0 sine theta into sine square theta, so that gives sine cube theta, and upon theta cube we take together can be written as sine theta upon theta whole bracket cube in the numerator upon limit theta tends to 0 the term 1 plus cos theta in the denominator. So the next step will be, now limit theta tends to 0 sine theta upon theta, that gives 1 bracket cube we write as it is upon, and limit theta tends to 0 cos theta gives 1, so in the denominator we have 1 plus 1, and so that equal to 1 upon 2 as a required answer. So this is a final solution for the given problem. Thank you.